This tutorial is going to help you locate and access your Google Docs folder from your Gmail account. First of all, log into your Gmail account. Next, locate the app logo on the top right corner of your screen and click on that. Select Drive. Once you are in the Google Drive, you're going to see all the documents that you have created or uploaded. Under Shared with Me, you will see all documents that your friends and teachers have sent to you for editing. To create a new document or upload it, click on New, click File Upload, and select a document from your own computer. The document will be shown as a Word document. Make sure you click on the document and open it with Google Docs. Once you are in the Google document, go under the pencil icon and click and select Suggesting Mode. In this way, any change you make is going to be kept track of. You can also share the document with anyone you would like just by entering the email. You can access shared documents directly from your inbox. Look for emails with an invitation to edit. Click on that, open in Docs, and once you're in the document, remember to go under the pencil icon and go into Suggesting Mode. Documents are saved automatically. You can go under File and Download as a Microsoft Word document if you wish to save the document on your computer as well.